So guys, welcome back to Skywave Reviews, and today we have something that we've shown previously. If you've not watched our videos on this particular chaff cutter, you should go and watch them. But today's chaff cutter is a little bit different. This has a gear for short and long cut over here, and it comes with a metallic conveyor belt. So if you check out the other videos that we did, the conveyor belt was rubberish and it tends to wear off after some time. But now we have a metallic conveyor belt. Today we are going to do a demo using electric motor only. Last time, if you haven't checked the videos, you can see the video we did with a gasoline engine, and we also did with an electric engine. But today we are going to do it with an electric engine. But you can always switch it up if you'd want to. You can do a petrol engine if you'd want to. So this particular model is a bit different. I'm going to show you how to set it up. Most of these machines usually come unassembled. Even though the main frame part usually comes assembled, these parts are usually assembled perfectly. But this is not something difficult. If you're into maybe machines, or if you've ever even seen a picture of it, you can be able to easily assemble it yourself. This is not something difficult to assemble the frame. Actually, the only maybe tricky part is to assemble or to join the belt, joining this particular belt with the chaff cutter itself. With that, what I'm going to showcase is maybe what to do before you start. So first, I'm going to remove these covers, these safety covers, so that maybe you can be able to see what's beneath here. So this is the belt from the motor to the chaff cutter itself. So what you're going to do is to grease this part. We're also going to put some oil on the bearings so that we'll be able to run the machine and maybe give it a test, and you guys will be able to see how it functions. We'll also do the same on this other side. So on this other side, we're going to do grease on this particular gear levers and some oil on the bearings over there. And also maybe something else that people usually want to see are the blades. So let me show you the blades. So you can open this one up. So these are the blades. That's how the machine looks like from the inside. You're able to see the conveyor belt, the gears. So guys, let's do the greasing and the oiling, and then you're going to start the machine. You're going to run it and see how it functions. So, and just before I show you how to grease the machine, let's talk specifications. So this comes with a 3 HP high-speed motor. And this machine is able to do 3,000 kilograms of fodder in an hour, and the revolution speed is up to 1,200 revolutions per minute. So those are maybe the technical specification of this machine. Also mentioning that it comes with 4 blades inside. So guys, after we are done with the greasing, so what's remaining is turning the machine on and checking out how this metallic conveyor belt does its work. this is a size for the short ones. You can see the difference in size. This is very short and the other one is very long one. So you can change that by just putting it, by just changing this particular gear like that. So that's the use of this. So it's as easy as that. So remember, the other one didn't have the gears, and also the conveyor belt, it didn't have this kind of conveyor belt. So this is metallic. This won't wear off at all. And even if it wears off, there's something that you can even fabricate, and you can always fix the one that wears off. But this you'll use for a very long time. So guys, you've seen how it's doing the dry. Those are dry, even though not so dry, but they're actually dry fodder. So let me do a couple of wet ones here. Let me see how it functions. Gear first, put it to the long one. If you hear it getting stuck a little bit, just pull this particular lever just a little bit, and this will fit into place like that. So let me do so see the difference. These are very, very long in comparison to the smaller ones. So that's the difference. These are quite large. So that's the difference. For goats, if you're doing something like goats, you don't need the big ones, but also the big ones are not so good. Small ones are easier to digest. They are easier to, they give you value for the feeds. So basically that's how this machine works. That's how it looks, everything about it. So guys, if you're into farming or maybe farm machines, you love farm machine, consider subscribing, because we'll do a lot of these videos. If you're a farmer, I think this is the best channel for you to have subscribed into. We usually review all these machines, water pumps for your homes and all that kind of machines. So consider subscribing. So guys, as we wind up on this machine, there's some few practices that you should always maybe to do. So maintenance practices. Remember, you can be able to open this part and clean. So this is easy to open. You can be able to open and clean this part. So over time, due to accumulation of these particles over here, the machine tends to rust over here. So it's always advisable, if you're able to clean once in a while, you clean it. You might not be able maybe to clean it every single day of cutting, but every once in a while it's advisable for you to clean. Also, you remember in the beginning we did greasing to those parts, the gear parts, and also the oiling. We have some ball bearings over here inside, tucked inside. So it's always advisable that you oil them and also grease the parts that needs greasing. Those are the main practices that you should always do for maintenance. Other than that is this particular conveyor belt. This is better than the previous model. I asked you guys, if you haven't watched the previous model that we did a video out of, you can kindly watch so that you see the difference. This gives it a very big advantages over the other one that has the rubber. If you've watched up to here, it's only fair I give you a coupon code, a discount to use on Skywave.co.ke. That will get you a discount. Once you check it out, just put that coupon code and you'll be able to get a discount on it. And also guys, consider subscribing. If you're a farm lover, if you love farm products, farm machinery, we are the place to be. Watch out for the next video. So subscribe and even click that notification button so that every time we do another video, you'll be notified to check it out. So share to any farmer that you've seen out there. Tell them that Skywave has this kind of chaff cutters, and see you tomorrow.